Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Rachel from LeadSub. Today we are going to sublimate a ceramic coaster. Our sublimation ceramic coasters are made from high quality and water-absorbing ceramic. They prevent water rings, protect tabletops, and are perfect for company giveaways, special occasion gifts, or home decor. We offer a variety of materials including MDF, glass, and rubber coasters. Check out our website for more options. Today we are using a 10.8 cm square ceramic coaster. It's 7 mm thick and each box contains 5 pieces. Let's get started. Today's design is symmetrical, so no mirroring is needed. However, if your design isn't symmetrical, remember to mirror it before printing. Preheat the heat press to 180 degrees Celsius while using a flat heat press, but you can also use a 3D vacuum machine. Align the coaster with the printed design. Place the coaster and design onto the machine, with the parchment paper at the bottom for protection. Set the timer to 360 seconds. Once done, remove the coaster and let it cool on a flat surface. After cooling, attach the cork pad to the bottom. Here's why you should choose our sublimation coasters. They have durable material. The coasters are all made from high-quality ceramic that's tough and long-lasting, and we can do customizable finish, which means you can pick between glossy or matte surface, perfect for vibrant single-side printing. And every coaster comes with cork pads or other accessories you might need, and it's ready to use or gift. We support OEM or ODM orders, so you can tweak the size, shape, and thickness to fit your needs. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out our website for more products. I'll see you in the next one.